So I've been preparing for the past, 6, 7 months. So I'm pretty happy with where we are now. A couple of the players, they have been exposed to tournaments, international. And as you can see, we have more local tournaments this time around to prepare them in terms of match readiness for the Caribbean Championship. This administration, I think we're trying something different. Now we're trying to have more, we're having yearly training instead of just a 2 months training in preparation for a championship. So now we're going to prepare right throughout the year. So it's a continuous training program that we'll be having. And so I'm pretty happy. And overall, I wouldn't say that we're looking to win the Caribbeans this year because we're rebuilding. I'm looking for good performance from Azizi Johnson, Keen Watson. We have Solisha Young who's making a comeback
Right,
in the sport, which I'm happy for
right.
because we're trying to rebuild back our females. So I'm happy that Solisha is back. Young Gianna is also on the team as well. So I think we're going to be very competitive, and anything is possible.
IC table tennis back as a viable sport here in Jamaica. We have many persons coming on board. We have the youngsters from the prep and the primary level, which is a grassroots development. So I think we are going, not really think, I know we're going back to somewhat where we were back then in the days of table tennis. But as you know, our main constraint is financial. But we will put in as much as we can for development of the players as best as possible.